finalist na kumanta dito, siya yung mananalo. And he or she will receive cash prize and t-shirt sponsored by Numerix. Kilala mo si Justin Bieber? Anong title? Baby. Sana all may baby. May baby ka ba dito? Wala. Pero what if magka-baby ka? Hindi yung baby na anak ha. Baby na sweetheart. Ano ba yung ideal girl mo? Butan. Butan? Bakit nakatingin ka dito? It's Baby by Justin Bieber. Pakpak mga kaizona. Pero bakit mga palakpakan dyan? Wow, manikot.
Chainsaw. Hinay-hinay.
Come on, everyone! Wala pa rin mga palakpakan.
And I'll be there. You are my love. And we will never, ever, ever be apart. I will never be perfect place. We're just dancing, what are you saying? So this is nothing, look there in my eyes. The first love is the first time, and this is baby, 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 alright. Baby, 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 alright. Baby, 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 alright. I just want to be mine.
Okay! Thank you so much. Si Edmond yung parang general niya parang pangtala. OPM. Okay, thank you so much, Edmond. Pero alam mo yung song niya ng baby. Pero meron kang baby. Oh, ganyan ka. Wala kang baby. Baby? Edmond! Saan? Asan baby? Kaya nag-change ng partner kasi si baby ayaw. Diba? Ayaw niya pag di sila nagka-partner. Andito ba yung baby mo? Asan siya? Malalaking talalo. Bakit kumiti sa kanya? Yung hila mo, bakit makalabas? Okay, ready? In 3, 2, 1! Jasper, nagka-karaoke ka? Minsan pag lasing or hindi lasing? Lasing or hindi lasing? Ano broken? Di ba pag broken, nabibigay lahat ng emosyon? Na-broken si Jasper, na-broken ka dati? Ha? ano, may third party? May third party? Basta broken ka. Oh, ibigay lahat ng emotion. Oh, let's clap our hands together with Jasper. Oh, let's clap our hands together with Jasper. Kailan mo si Justin Bieber?
Yes.
Favorite artist?
Yeah, the iconic Bieber.
If you were given a chance to be crowned as Miss Barman 2026, what's the first thing you will do?
The first thing that I will do if I am the Miss Motivation Carmelo, and Miss Carmen Motivation Carmelo. Sorry guys, I'm not totally fluent in English speaking, but I will try my best. The first thing that I will do is first I will, if I will be the Miss Carmen, of course the first thing that I will do is I will have my family.
Ay, rock and roll!
Tama nagmana pa? Wala ko ay.
Never, never, ever, ever be apart. And when I down, sympathizing. We're just friends, but are you saying? Today's another look in my eyes. My first love broke my heart for the first time. And I was like, baby, 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 hold my baby, 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 hold my baby, 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 hold.
Let's begin with Edmond! Bakit tumaas? So, tumatawa na. Edmond! How about Hazel? Arizin? Ay, wala po. Dashery? Ay, Edmond! Si Edmond yung nanalo. Congratulations, Edmond! Meron ka t-shirt sponsored by Numerics. At saka yung